Imagine waking up one day and every part of your life, your banking, your taxes, your healthcare, your driver's license, all connected in one digital system. Convenient? Maybe. But what if the real impact isn't convenience? It's economic control. Today, we're breaking down Canada's push toward digital ID, what it means for your wallet, your freedom, and the entire Canadian economy. And trust me, the financial impact is much bigger than you think. I'm Thuc, your money guy. I've spent over 14 years in finance, helping regular people understand money in the simplest way possible. And I've made this channel because too many Canadians feel lost, confused, and powerless about what's happening with their economy. My goal is simple: make money easy to understand and help you protect yourself. Now let's talk about digital ID in plain English. What is digital ID? A digital ID is like a supercharged version of your driver's license, but it lives on your phone or online. It could include things like your legal identity, your banking access, your healthcare records, your travel documents, your government services, your taxes, even your certifications or education. Think of it as one giant digital key that unlocks everything. Now, this sounds convenient, right? But big systems always come with big consequences. Why do governments and banks want it? There are three main reasons. Number one, efficiency. A digital ID could make government services cheaper and faster. Number two, fraud prevention. Banks lose billions to identity fraud. Digital ID reduces fakes. Reason number three, data integration. This one is the real reason. When every system talks to each other, governments can manage programs, track usage, and run operations with fewer mistakes. In a perfect world, this is great, but the world isn't perfect. So here's the real question. What does all this mean for your money and your future? Let's break down the economic impact no one sees coming. A national digital ID system is not cheap. We are talking hundreds of millions, possibly billions in development, cybersecurity, verification, and maintenance. Who pays for that? We do, through taxes. And Canada already has one of the highest tax burdens in the G7. B. Banks will change how they control access. Right now, you can switch banks easily. But with digital ID tied to banking, the government and banks might require specific verification to open or access accounts. This could mean more fees, more limits, more compliance rules, slower service, less competition. Anytime systems merge, competition shrinks. Businesses will pay too. Every business, from grocery stores to contractors, would need new systems to accept and verify digital ID. And when businesses pay more, prices go up. Simple economics. If you want more deep, simple breakdowns of how Canadian economics affects your life, hit subscribe right now. I post clear financial videos every week, and it helps this channel grow so I can keep teaching Canadians the truth about money. How digital ID could affect your daily life. So let's keep this simple. Here's what could change. Number one, banking becomes stricter. You may need digital ID to open accounts, transfer money, apply for loans, do large transactions. This adds security, but also more hoops to jump through. Number two, every mistake becomes bigger. If your identity is hacked today, they might access one thing. With digital ID, they access everything. One mistake equals complete lockout. Number three, you lose some anonymous freedom. Today, cash equals privacy. Digital systems equals traceable. Not necessarily bad, but definitely different. Number four, your data becomes a currency. In a digital ID world, data becomes extremely valuable. Who controls that data has power. Governments get more accurate data. Businesses get tighter verification. Banks get deeper customer information. And once data becomes centralized, it becomes hard to pull it back. Number five, services become faster, but more dependent. The good news, accessing healthcare, taxes, or benefits could be smoother. The bad news, if the system goes down, everything goes down. Imagine not being able to access your own records or services because of a server outage. How this impacts the overall Canadian economy. Here's the part most people miss. More control equals less flexibility. When systems become more centralized, economies become more rigid. That means slower movement, slower adaptation, and slower recovery. Higher cost equals higher inflation pressure. Building a national system increases government spending. Higher spending without higher productivity usually adds inflation pressure. Small businesses feel the pain first. They must upgrade their systems to handle digital ID. More costs mean higher prices, fewer workers, less local competition. Small businesses are already struggling. This adds more weight. A two-tier society can form. Those who are tech savvy, fully integrated, connected. They benefit. But seniors, low-income Canadians, and people without stable access get left behind. The big long-term impact, data dependency. An economy that relies on one digital gatekeeper is fragile. If the system experiences hacks, outages, political misuse, or general failures, the entire economy slows down. This is the part no one sees coming because it's invisible until it happens. What can Canadians do now? Stay informed. Under what digital ID actually is, not rumors. Protect your data. Strong passwords, secure devices, two-factor authentication. Diversify your finances. Don't rely on one bank. Don't rely only on digital payments. Have backup. Support businesses that maintain choices. If companies offer multiple ways to verify or pay, support them. Choice keeps markets healthy. Think long term. The more dependent the country becomes on digital control, the more valuable financial independence becomes. Digital ID is coming in some form. Maybe soon, maybe slowly. The key isn't to panic. It's to understand what it means for your money, your privacy, and your future. A system this powerful will shape the next 20 years of Canada's economy, and we all need to be prepared. If this helped you understand the economic side of digital ID, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of Canada's money, housing, and future. I'm Thuc, your money guy, making money simple for everyday Canadians. See you next time.